you missed that putt.
Oh, somebody stepping a duck. Oh, this is the worst looking hat I ever saw. Oh, it looks good on you, though.
4! Oh, fine shot. Oh! I should have yelled 2.
Hey, everybody, we're all gonna get laid.
Hey, Whitey, where's your hat?
Let's go while we're young. Oh, this your wife. Oh, a lovely lady. Hey, baby, you're all right. You must have been something before electricity, huh? That's right, it sucks. Hey, everybody, we're all gonna get laid.
Double turns.
Spalding!
Spalding, no!
You're gonna eat your fat.
I want a hamburger? No, a cheeseburger. I want a hot dog. I want a milkshake. I want potato
You'll
chips.
get nothing and like it.
What about my asthma?
I'll give you asthma.
Hey, what kind of shit is this?
It's the best, man. I got it from a Negro.
$50 the Spales kid picks his nose.
I tell you what, $50 more says easy. You're on.
Okay, you're on. Don't do it, kid. Don't do it. Don't do it.
There you go.
Any kid will eat anything.
This your place, Carl?
Yeah, what do you think?
It's really awful.
Find your center. Picture the shot, Danny. Picture it. Turn off all the sound. Just let it happen. Be the ball. Be the ball, Danny. You're not being the ball, Danny.
Well, it's kind of difficult with you talking like that.
Okay, I'm not talking. Stop talking. I'm not talking now.
My uncle says you got a screw loose.
Oh, yeah. Your uncle molests collies.
Don't do it! I didn't do that!
I like you, Betty.
It's Denny, sir.
Danny.
I gotta go to college. I gotta.
Danny, this isn't Russia. Is this Russia? This isn't Russia.
You got a pool over there? We have a pond in the back. We have a pool and a pond. A pond would be good for you.
I was born to love you. I was born to lick your face. I was born to rub you. But you were born to rub me first.
You take drugs, Danny?
Every day.
Good. So what's the problem?
I don't know.
That's the beach, son. Oh, golly, I'm hot today.
You want to tie me up with some of your ties? Oh, yeah! We're cakes for nutches!
Do you have any eights? Don't you have homes?
Gambling is illegal at Bushwood, sir, and I never slide.
How about a Fresca?
Oh.
Huh?
Okay, Pookie, do the honors.
You know, you should play with Dr. Pieper myself. I mean, he's been club champion for 3 years running, and I'm no slouch myself.
Don't sell yourself short, Judge. You're a tremendous slouch.
Well, we're waiting.
Are you my pal, Mr. Scholarship winner?
It's easy to grin when your ship comes in and you've got the stock market beat. But the man worthwhile is the man who can smile when his shorts are too tight in the seat.
I want you to kill every golfer on the course.
Check me if I'm wrong, Sandy, but if I kill all the golfers, they're going to lock me up to throw away the key.
Golfers! They're great, not golfers. The little brown furry rodents.
We can do that.
Aye.
We don't even have to have a reason.
Do it, man.
All right, let's do the same thing, but with gophers.
Ash!
It's not my fault nobody can understand what you're saying.
So we finish 18, and he's gonna stiff me. And I say, hey, Lama, hey, how about a little something, you know, for the effort, you know. And he says, oh, there won't be any money. But when you die, on your deathbed, you will receive total consciousness. So I got that going for me, which is nice.
This is a hybrid. This is a cross, bluegrass, Kentucky bluegrass, featherbed bent, and Northern California sensimilla. The amazing stuff about this is that you can play 36 holes on it in the afternoon, take it home and just get stoned to the bejesus belt that night on this stuff.
I smell varmint poontang.
Freeze, Gopher!
I guess we're playing for keeps now. I guess the kidding around is pretty much over, huh?
A cannonball! Cannonball coming.
What an incredible Cinderella story. This unknown comes out of nowhere to lead the pack. At Augusta, he's on his final hole. He's about 455 yards away. He's going to hit about a 2-iron, I think. Well, he got all of that. The crowd is standing on its feet here at Augusta. The normally reserved Augusta crowd going wild. For this young Cinderella who's come out of nowhere, he's got about 350 yards left. He's going to hit about a 5-iron, it looks like, don't you think? He's got a beautiful backswing. He got all of that one. He's got to be pleased with that. The crowd is just on its feet here. He's a Cinderella boy. Tears in his eyes, I guess, as he lines up this last shot. He's got about 195 yards left, and looks like he's got about an 8-iron. This crowd has gone deathly silent. Cinderella story, out of nowhere. A former greenskeeper now about to become the Masters champion. It looks like a miracle. It's in the hole! It's in the hole!
Hey, young fella.
Wait up, girls. I got a salami I gotta hide still.
You're lean, and you're mean, and you're not too far between either, I bet, are you, huh? You beast. You savage. Come on, bark like a dog for me.
Gunga, galunga. Gunga, gunga la gunga.
And that's how she wrote.